Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Police Watch, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Shouldn't Lock Your Naked Girlfriend Outside Your Apartment." Wow, let's get into it.
Spit on me. Roll over now.
On April 1st, 2024, officers were called to an apartment complex due to reports of a domestic violence issue and a naked woman who was locked outside her apartment.
Somebody's staring.
Hold on. I know all of you guys be complaining about the captions, I can't see the captions, even though they're saying it, but whatever. So hold on. So that way y'all don't be complaining, you know what I mean?
Reports of a domestic violence issue and a naked woman who was locked outside her apartment.
Somebody's staring at me, pretty sure. Yeah, there was a guy standing right there in the window staring at me. They were cracking the blinds, so I kept shining my flashlight there. Family Police Department. As you can see, the guy standing in the window and female standing in the kitchen 5 feet away. Well, still don't want to come to the door. Standing by the oven. Yeah. Family Police Department.
That's not a bad police knock.
No.
I know they normally be
banging. The guy was
banging.
standing right here, staring at me through the slits right there.
Yeah.
And then she walked by and went into the kitchen. And then he followed her in there. And he's standing in front of the oven now, or in front of the dishwasher or something like that. And she's further back in. You wouldn't answer the door.
I answered no. The you beat on the door like that for? There's no reason for you to beat on the door like that for.
Okay.
No reason at all. No reason. There's a baby in here sleeping. There's no reason at all
Then you shouldn't answer
for
the
you
door.
to beat on the door like that. Okay. No reason at all.
Okay. Who called us?
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you willing to talk to us, ma'am?
What?
Are you willing to talk to us real quick?
About what?
Well, we got a few phone calls that someone thought that there was a domestic violence situation going on and that there was a female outside naked, and they believed that she went back into apartment B boy. This is D, obviously, but the phone number that we got called from...
Okay, do you have a permit to be in my apartment right now?
The phone number we
got... Do you
got...
have a permit to be in my apartment right now?
Stop talking, I'm not speaking to
I don't
you.
have a... I don't...
Stop talking,
I can talk if I want to. I can talk if I want to. Female speech. Thank you very much. So,
Okay.
do you have a permit to be in my apartment? I'm talking to you. Do you have a permit to be in my apartment?
Okay.
I'm talking to you right now, though.
I'm okay. We're okay.
You ain't...
I'm okay. We're okay.
You ain't ignoring the
Will
fuck
you just
out of
come
me.
outside and talk to me for like 30 seconds? And we'll
You're
get out
kind of
here?
ignoring the fuck out of me right now, though.
I am ignoring you.
Okay, so I'm ignoring you right now, though.
Okay.
Okay, so...
Okay, please move. I'm trying to talk to her.
Just like you're ignoring me, I can ignore you, right?
Okay, well, we'd like to talk to her real quick.
Okay,
If
so I'm
she's willing to
ignoring
talk
you,
to
so
us,
just
you
like
need
you're
to move out of the
ignoring
way,
me.
okay?
I don't need to do shit, actually. Right? Freedom of speech, freedom of whatever the fuck. So, what's the point of your foot being...
Okay, we'd like to talk to her real quick, and then
What's
we
the
can
point of
get out
your
of here.
foot being in my
I'm
apartment,
preventing
though?
you from shutting the door while I'm trying to speak to the female that is standing behind you.
Wait, you're
We are
speaking to her,
here
though.
trying to investigate.
Who tried to
possible
come to the
domestic
door
violence.
and you wouldn't let her.
No, she's at the door, actually.
Yeah. No, well, she tried to come here and I saw you grab her and pull her back, and then you ran to the door.
You didn't see me.
Yeah, I did.
You didn't see me grab her at all, actually. I didn't grab her at all. Did I grab
Can we
her
just
at all?
talk to you for like
Right,
60
you're
seconds
sticking out your
without
ass.
him?
You speaking out your ass. I didn't grab her at
No,
all.
I'm
So
speaking
what the
out
fuck
my
are you
mouth.
talking about?
Just shut
Out your ass?
mouth and let us speak with her.
I'm not talking to
Get your
you.
hand out of my face.
I'm not don't touch me.
Get your hand.
They love the toxic ones, man. Have you ever wondered why a female, for the most part, women, they like the bad boys? You know what I'm saying? The nice guys get shitted on almost every time. You know what I'm saying? But the guys that got that little edge to them, that little attitude, that they love it. They eat it up. You know what I'm saying? Listen, don't be the nice guy, boy. But don't disrespect the police, though. Listen.
Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? I didn't touch you. I'm not touching you. Don't touch me. I'm not touching you. Don't touch me. I'm not touching you. Don't touch me. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Stop, Xavier. Just stop.
Stop.
You're making this a lot harder than it has to be.
You touching me for a punk ass bitch?
Can I talk to you real quick outside?
I didn't touch my
Did you
phone.
call us?
I did.
What did you see? What happened?
We were just arguing.
Something about you guys. Okay.
Nothing was violent. Nothing.
That's
Just arguing.
That's all we needed to figure
I
out.
know.
Okay. So
I don't want to write a statement. I don't want nothing to happen.
Okay.
I don't want this.
okay, that's fine.
Nothing.
You're not injured.
No.
Were you outside naked?
This is what I mean. What? These guys got full control over them, man. Listen, you don't want anything to happen, but you call the cops? Look at the delusion in that. Look at the... What? You guys were just arguing. It's not a big deal. Blah, blah, blah. But you called the police, though. They're only there because you called them there. So they're here to help you and to, save you from this guy or whatever the case is going on. But now that they're there, now you don't want nothing to do with nothing. Like, come on, like.
No.
He wouldn't let you back in?
Not naked,
Okay.
but
Just in less clothing than what you are right now.
not naked.
Okay. All right.
Back up.
I'm gonna freak out. I don't want.
Okay. All right. Here.
Stop.
You touching me for a punk ass bitch? Bye. I didn't actually touch my home. Bye.
I'm gonna say it right here until we're done here.
Alright. I didn't touch you at all.
Okay.
Punk ass bitch.
Okay.
Look at the fucking badge on, punk ass bitch. You're not your fucking badge on. You don't sound like you Not my fucking house, you bitch.
In less clothing than what you
Bye.
I'm not going anywhere until we're done here. Back up.
I'm not touching no.
Back up.
Not touching no touching me.
Back up.
Not touching no.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You fucking spit on me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Act
Roll
right.
over.
I spit on the ground.
Put your hands on your back.
Oh,
I
yeah.
have a whole camera, bro.
We have a
I spit on the ground.
There's a camera.
I spit on the ground.
Oh, yeah.
Spit on me.
On the ground.
Act right, boy. This ain't no game.
He does spit a lot.
Right on the ground. You're tweaking.
She can't save you now.
I'll freak out.
I felt it hit me, so.
You felt it hit you. You're wearing pants and
Stop.
a long sleeve. You felt it hit you?
Act right. This ain't no
Hey, do
game.
you have an
What you
ID
thought
on
this
you?
was?
You guys got body cams?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's recording.
They all are?
Yes.
Okay.
Stand up.
Because we got our camera recording.
Stand up.
Look at her. She's so freaking delusional. Listen, you called the police there because your boyfriend or baby daddy, whatever you want to call it, is acting like a complete idiot, right? Got you outside naked, whatever. They get there, and now you're trying to defend him, talking about, oh, he does spit a lot. Man, shut your ass up, man. He is a grown-ass man, and his ass made the decision that he wanted to go to jail tonight. That's the decision that he made, and that's the end of the goddamn story. Oh, are your body cams on? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah, they on. Shut up. he going. That's it. Choose better baby daddies next time.
Let's go outside.
Why is his lip busted?
Shut up.
Why is his lip busted?
I don't know. I was outside with you. Okay, can I get your... Do you have an ID with you?
I do, but...
Can I...
His lip busted because you wanted to call the cops. That's why his lip is busted. They there because of you. So we don't want to hear you being... They're there because you was in distress and something was going on. So now, the heroes come and save the day. And now, she don't want him locked up. Well, why did you call the cops in the first place? Listen, don't call the cops. You know it could go one of two ways, man. It's either going to go really, really good or it's going to go really, really bad. And in this instance, you called the cops because you was having an issue with him. Well, the cops removed the issue. So you should be happy. Don't worry about why his lip is busted. He good.
That's Addison. But I feel like you guys are being racist.
Why are we being racist?
Because he didn't pull, when you opened the door, you said he pulled me. He didn't pull me. He didn't.
I watched you try to walk this way.
No, I was naked. I just didn't want to be in front of the door. I had a shirt on. I had my ass hanging out.
Okay, and I understand.
Okay, but I...
Listen.
I'll get my ID. I got you. I got my ID. I don't want to talk.
Okay.
I got my ID.
Have a seat. Swing your feet in.
Yeah, you gonna learn today. Stop acting like an asshole. Act right, man. You don't want to act right, they gonna get you right. You want to come to the door
What's your name?
like a jackass? Okay.
A name, date of birth, address from an attack on refusal to disclose personal identifying information. What's your name? What is it? I have to be able to.
She said they had an argument. That's about as far as we got.
Okay.
She doesn't want to make a statement. You're not injured or anything, right? You
No,
don't have
it
marks or
never
anything?
got
Never got
physical.
that physical?
No.
Okay. How did you end up outside?
So it was partially me walking out and partially getting shoved a little. It was me walking out. I was going to walk out to my car naked. That was definitely me being petty, me.
Okay.
But and then I got shoved and then he shut the door.
Okay.
Okay.
And then I didn't even try to see if it was open or anything.
You just kind of hung out outside for...
Yes, I hid behind my car
Okay.
so no one would see me.
Why did you hide? Just
I didn't
because
want
of the
to.
argument? Oh, okay. Because
And
you
I was
were you
naked.
completely naked? Or just
Not
like bra and
completely.
underwear?
I had the shirt on.
Yeah, this. Okay. Okay.
And then underwear.
Okay.
So I felt pretty naked, but
Yeah.
I wasn't fully naked.
Okay.
But it wasn't his fault I went outside. It was me going outside just to be petty. I definitely did start the argument. He was screenshotting other pictures of girls, so I was being petty and arguing with him.
Okay.
And then I didn't stop the arguing.
Okay.
And then I just walked outside. I didn't walk. I kind of took a few steps. And then
No. I'm sorry, sweetheart. We're not trying to hear this story. No. Clearly, you've been trying to cover up for him from the jump. Okay, we don't care about. We not trying to hear this. No, and then you said it didn't get physical, but he pushed you outside. Physical is touching. Physical. It could be a push. It could be a punch. It could be a whatever. Nah, we ain't trying to hear that. Yeah, she probably was upset. You probably screenshotting or talking to different girls or whatever the case may be. But no. They were both bickering or whatever, and she wanted to... Look, the story don't even add up. She wanted to be petty and walk outside naked? That's only embarrassing yourself. What, you want the neighbors to see you in a thong? I don't get it. That doesn't even make sense.
the door got shut
So you
behind
got
me.
pushed and shut the door.
There wasn't a knockdown, drag out fight or anything like that?
No, I wasn't hurt. Like,
Okay.
Are you guys married?
no.
How long have you lived together?
We've lived together since December, but we've been together for about a year now.
Okay. So dating for a year, lived together since December. Do you have kids together?
No, but his dad isn't involved. Takes care of my kid like it's his kid.
Okay.
What's, is it a boy?
Yes,
What's his name?
Mateo. We've dealt with a lot of cops before, so I just know he wouldn't physically spit on a cop.
Okay.
And for North Baltimore, for instance, they are very racial, and we've had incidents with them, with Xavier, so we would rather just keep him protected.
There was a discrepancy. We weren't sure which apartment. We weren't sure where the caller lived, so that's why we wanted to talk to you guys.
Yeah.
It's always better to just at least answer and be like, hey, this is what happened.
I know.
If you don't want to tell us anything beyond that, that's on you guys.
I know,
Okay?
I know.
So-
If he just would have been cooperative or.
And I understand, you know, you guys have lived here. You've only lived in Finley since December?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this the first time dealing with us?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're not bad people to deal with.
Good,
We're
make it
just
a
trying to
memorable
Get
one.
to the bottom of everything and get something that way nobody says, well, you guys didn't do anything.
Yeah.
So, as long as you're okay, baby's okay, he was okay, we just typically we were out here. Okay. So, alright?
He won't have a domestic violence charge.
No, I think he was arrested for obstruction.
Okay. Since.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're not injured. You weren't like crying. You weren't like screaming for us. You weren't, you know. Said you weren't willing to talk. You gave me a quick statement. I don't think that there's.
Much more.
It was a domestic.
Situation and whatnot.
A domestic dispute. That's what the state. Anytime two people in a relationship live together, they consider it a domestic dispute.
Rather than domestic violence.
So domestic violence is when there's actual violence, physical violence, somebody's hurt, or somebody makes a comment or statement that, like if he were to say, I'm gonna fuck you up, I'm gonna put you in the hospital, you know, you're scared, you say, I was scared for my life, I ran outside, I didn't have any pants on, I had just a shirt, you know, he wouldn't let me back inside, I thought he was gonna hurt me. That's called a C-section, the threat of bodily harm or death. Great bodily harm, serious injury, things like that. That's still domestic violence, even though nobody put hands on each other. The threat of causing somebody harm or injury or death is still considered domestic violence.
Okay.
So, at this point, I don't believe that he's under arrest for domestic. So, it'll just be the obstruction. We're just trying to talk, trying to figure things out. So, like I said, we'll have him give you a call, let you know one way or the other. He may call and say, hey, come pick me up.
Okay.
So it might be a little bit.
I figured.
20-30 minutes, just depending on how cooperative he is. But
He's probably not going to be cooperative for what happened. Give him some time, then he will be.
that's usually how,
Good, way to pick
how
'em.
everybody is. You know, you get them down there and you get them a couple minutes to relax, and
Yeah.
they are usually okay. So, all right. Any
Yep.
questions?
Nope.
All right. Try to have a better evening. You're welcome.
Good job. Way to pick 'em.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.